Digital memories unleashed. Every 2 minutes, we snap more photos than all of humanity did throughout the entire 19th century. Think about it, the moments we casually capture on our phones, selfies, sunsets, and silly faces, are part of an unstoppable digital flood that dwarfs the visual history of an entire century. Back then, photography was a rare, laborious art reserved for special occasions and significant events. Now, we document everything, from our morning coffee to late-night adventures, creating a massive, ever-growing tapestry of fleeting moments. This relentless stream of images not only shapes our personal memories but also redefines how we see and share our world, turning everyday life into a constantly evolving digital gallery.